Hey, dobro vechi. Good evening, guys. It's your boy Jay Munchie. You know what I'm saying? Zoom say I do moon to a poster. I streamer. Hey, moja braći i sestri. You know what I'm saying? Today, you know what I'm saying? Do se nazaca drugom obokori. You know what I'm saying? Novaya. You know what I'm saying? Reaxium. You know what I'm saying? Sardiaya. You know what I'm saying? Pasni. You know what I'm saying? We are about to react to Serbia in your pocket. You know what I'm saying? Because you know I keep Serbian in my pocket. You know what I'm saying? Very close to me, like that 4-5. You know what I'm saying? Wow. No, I'm joking. You know what I'm saying? But this is Guća Madness, Madness. So Guća Trumpet Madness. Okay. All right, so let's check this out. You know what I'm saying? Hey, Copper, stay down us. You know what I'm saying? Let me know in the comment section how my Serbs doing. You know what I'm saying? This is the Serbian Royal Empire, and this is Serbian Machi TV, an episode that we about to get right into. Banda, Sadagangarate, so Bandam, gang. You now ganging with the Serbian gang. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, that sounds strong, no Ujiva. I like it. Yeah, Doc. Jebote. Nice. The live. What do live mean? Y'all let me know in the comment section. Yo, you see Moy Brat standing up dancing? He could just got up and start going like this with the blue shirt on. I think it's a blue shirt he got on. You know what I'm saying? That boy, he lit. You know what I'm saying? I think he's Serbian too, definitely. You know what I'm saying? Let me know what do Lav means. The name that's on the umbrella tent thing that's over the table. Is they under what you call that? I forget the proper name for the thing that they playing under the band. You know what I'm saying? Nice. One thing I was starting to notice too about certain about the men that I noticed about the Serbian men uh with their eyebrows, right? Eyebrows, right? I'm saying that correctly. They are thicker than most people in the Balkans that I noticed. You know what I'm saying? So I'm starting to notice that I'm not gonna say Serbian men look alike when they get older, but they do kind of got that. I forget there's a couple people that has a similar look. The guy that had a white shirt on, uh, like Juice, like the new look Juice got now. But just seeing his eyebrows in particular, you know what I'm saying? They're thick and they kind of like start to go down in the same way. Both of them. Anyway, I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to make sense of what I'm trying to say, without offending anyone. You know what I'm saying? So, Yeah, if you understand what I'm saying, I'm just going to stop right there. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you smash that like button. Make sure you subscribe, turn on your post notifications. You know what I'm saying? But I speak do dugmi I Palestini dugmi za prepratu I uklishite za vano za oba vestenja. Da, I'll see you guys in the next reaction video. You know what I'm saying? Dobro, vechi, do Virginia, banda, sada gangarate, sa bando.